Good morning guys, today is Wednesday. We are going to pick those dried sunflowers para i-save natin for next year. Kasi tuyot na sila. Ayun ito oh, ang laki. Yan, save natin sila. Ayun pa sa sulok. Kunin natin yan mamaya. Laki oh. Yan, save natin yan. So ayun, ibang nakuha ko. Ayan guys, look at the seeds. Ayun oh. Labas na. Look at them guys. All that seeds. That's so many. Ang dami nating sunflower seeds guys. Mix yan. So, ayan. Ito pa ito. Pang natira oh. Ito yung pinakamalaki natin guys oh. Pinakamalaking bulaklak ng sunflower. So far, ito yung ibang mga kasunod niya. Malalaki din. At yan ang the rest. Patutuyuin natin.